Oh no, I got it.
How's that?
Yeah, it's even worse. Turn it off. Yeah, perfect. You can see the Sam. Okay, so get your red cloth and your blue cloth. And we're going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to agitate like a little bit more than we did on the stove. It's not bang, 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 because we're removing... Can you feel it coming off?
Yeah.
Change the side of the cloth now. Okay, stop. Now we're just going to wipe that area dry.
No hesitating, just wiping it.
Yep, just wiping it.
Change sides.
Yeah. Okay, stop. Come over this side. Come over here. And see if you can see.
Yeah, you can.
Hang on 1 second. There's just one wet patch just here.
Yeah, from the top to the bottom, some huge difference.
Yeah, you can't see it on
You know,
here.
and see the stuff down the bottom is blurry.
Yeah, you can't see it on camera, but you can, a little bit.